we are very fairly young company. We recently got registered, but then overall we've got about 5 years combined experience together as a graphic designer, a software developer, business analyst. So what are we all about? What we really want to do is help startups with their ideas, bring the ideas to life by implementing all the solutions that they think about, and realizing that through technology. Okay, so we build most of the time web applications. Yeah, sorry about that. We build web applications, mobile applications for them, and the way we go about that is we use a number of set of tools, really, from BDD, which is behavior-driven development, which means all the features that we implement in our software need to be implemented from a user perspective. So we write user acceptance tests to make sure that we are only implementing what the user needs in the system. We have a tool of set of tools from continuous integration that ensures that all our softwares are continuously delivered as we improve them, as we add features to them. We also have a group of graphic designers that help us with user interaction and user design. Okay. So we've worked with a couple of organizations online where we usually implement solutions for them for non-governmental organization. We collaborate with other teams in Europe and around the world, where we build some solutions together as teams. So for the hookup dinner, we really had, jumping ahead of my presentation already. So we had a team of 3 people, Raul, myself, which is a full stack developer. I do backend development in Rails, Node.js, and a lot of front end as well. Lishrawanolo was our business analyst. She was helping us with the whole agile process and understanding the requirements from a business perspective. And we had Alessa, which is right here with me, who was our UX designer, and she was in charge of all the design for the application that we built. So the hookup dinner had a few requirements for us. They needed a landing page, which is the entry point to their website, where all the entrepreneurs will then be invited, after seeing what the hookup dinner is all about, to sign up and join the community. So in that process, we had to generate the user registration, and we had to implement user profile, and we also had a requirement of having a responsive design for the application. Also, we needed to be able to have an integration with the existing CRM system, which is Request. So, without further ado, what we were able to achieve so far, I'm just going to skip a few here. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. Previous. Okay, so what we were able to achieve on this iteration, we were able to implement the landing page. We had a work in progress on the integration with Requester, where we wrote a wrap around their API that will allow us to create users as soon as they register on our systems. I'm just quickly going to show you a demo of our system. And to access the system, you just need to go to that link there. Okay. And then you'll be able to browse through with me as I take you through it. Okay. So this is the entry point to the application. Firsthand, sorry about that. We have a brief description of what this platform is. As an entrepreneur, I get here and I know already that this is the place I should be in, and I get invited to join a new community. Next point that we had is we actually have this here, where we envisioned that the hookup dinner could have a set of current events that are happening soon, where the user could fill in their email and directly RSVP to join to the event. Moving forward, we have the vision of the hookup dinner, bit of the process they take through achieving that vision. Some of their past achievements. You can actually see per country what they've done so far. Just a way of enticing the user, to engage with the hookup dinner. We have a list of partners that are currently working with the hookup dinner. And here's just some photo, hopefully it will be updated with photos from today. And then at the end we get after presenting the user with all these possibilities, we give another chance to the user, if they didn't sign up previously, to click on this button and eventually go through the sign up process. And I'm just going to take you through the sign up process right now. So we have this form here where we capture basic information about the user. But I'm sure just like me, most of us are lazy to enter our details. So we thought of having integration with Google and eventually in future other platforms in order for users to sign up. So I'm just going to use the sign up right now with my Google account. Immediately, I get redirected to what is supposed to be my timeline for the community. So in this space here, essentially what happened now is that the user will receive an email prompting them to confirm their account, but then that's valid for 2 days, and obviously that can be extended. But then they can already preview the content of the site. Obviously, when you just sign up, you won't have that much already going. This was just for demo purposes. And then we have this so we thought of engaging with the user using this platform where immediately as they sign up, they get this message inviting them, we're welcoming them. And obviously we could add stuff like videos showing them what's happening, how to make use of the system, more like a mini tutorial of how to use the system as they sign up on the platform. And eventually with this platform is that they could just reply here to this, and then from the back end I'll be able to pick up, and then eventually a member of the hookup dinner can engage with them and figure out what happened throughout the process, what went wrong and all that. Right here you can view your profile, account settings. You can change your settings if you want to, fill in more details about your account, and yeah, you get notifications. And
thank you very much.